Hi, I'm Kathy, the art teacher from Art Projects for Kids. I've created a drawing video to show you how to draw a bird. It's sitting on a branch and is really easy to draw. Let me show you how. Before you begin your drawing, I always recommend that you first make guides on your paper. All you have to do is fold and crease the paper in half in both directions and then open it back up again. You'll have lines that match my tutorial, which really help. Plus, they do go away by the time you're done coloring. Step number 1. To start the bird body, draw a round shape with a kind of flat bottom like this. Step number 2. Then add a head with a pointy top. Step number 3. Carefully erase the line inside the bird. Now draw a very large eye with a smaller eye circle inside. And then add a beak on the side of the head. And maybe a few fun feather lines on top. Step number 4. A large wing comes next. Start at the shoulder and draw the bottom half, and then add the other half on top. Afterwards, erase the little line inside when you're done. Step number 5. Draw a tail at an angle at the bottom. Add a few feather lines inside when you're done. Step number 6. Now it's time to add some texture lines to your bird, both in the wing and on the belly. Step number 7. Draw a long line beneath the bird for the branch they are sitting on. I'm making mine with a little bit of a curve. Step number 8. Now you need to add some leaves to that long branch. There's room for one on the right and then a couple on the left. The very last step is to draw a couple of clouds in the sky. I like to draw mine going off the page like this. Step number 9. Okay, this bird drawing is done. It's time to trace over all those lines with a good black marker. Try to work slowly so you can stay right on top of those pencil lines. And when the tracing is done, it's a good time to take a moment and erase any pencil lines that are still showing. Oh, also, if you'd like the belly of the bird to have a different color than the head, then you need to add a little line on the neck like this. Okay, before you put that marker away, it's a great tool to fill in that little eye. And now it's finally time to color. I'm going to make my bird blue. I'm going to use the same color to fill in the head, the wing, and the tail. And a little yellow for that beak. I'm coloring my branch brown and pressing hard to get a nice rich color. Then I'm using a bright green for those leaves. Try to work slowly to fill in all those little points. And finally, coloring the sky. I'm going to mix things up a bit and use an orange color so it contrasts from my blue bird. Plus, it also kind of looks like a really pretty sunset color. And now my bird is all finished. I really like how easy it was to draw and how cute they look sitting on that branch. Thank you so much for following along with me today, and I hope you've enjoyed this How to Draw a Bird tutorial video. I have even more drawing tutorials like this one on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw a parrot and how to draw a turkey. I'll see you next time, and I hope you keep on drawing.